Hey everyone! Setting up a brand new PC or reinstalling Windows can be exciting, but there's one thing almost nobody enjoys: downloading and installing all the essential software one by one. Browsers, media players, PDF readers, compression tools, communication apps, cloud storage, developer tools, the list just keeps growing. What if there was a way to install almost everything you need with a single installer and without dealing with annoying toolbars, bundled software, or endless setup wizards? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a free tool called Ninite. Let's jump right into it. First, open any web browser on your computer. If this is a fresh Windows installation, Microsoft Edge will already be installed, so go ahead and open it. Once the browser opens, click on the address bar at the top. Type ninite.com and press enter. After a few seconds, the Ninite homepage will load. You'll immediately notice a clean page filled with popular applications organized into categories. This is where you'll choose all the programs you want Ninite to install automatically. Let's start from the top. Under the web browser section, I'm going to select Google Chrome because it's my primary browser. If you prefer Firefox, Brave Opera, or multiple browsers, you can select those as well. Next, scroll down to the media section. Here, I'm selecting VLC Media Player. VLC is one of the most useful programs you can install because it plays almost every video and audio format without needing additional codecs. I'm also selecting Audacity because it's a fantastic free audio editing tool. If you use Spotify or iTunes, you can select those as well. Now let's move down to the online storage section. Here I'm selecting Google Drive and Dropbox. Choose whichever cloud storage service you actually use. There's no reason to install everything if you only use one platform. Next comes the compression section. This one is important. I'm selecting 7-zip because it's lightweight, fast, and supports virtually every archive format. If you prefer WinRAR, you can select that too. Now let's look at the developer tools section. Even if you're not a developer, some of these tools are incredibly useful. I'm selecting Notepad++ because it's a much better text editor than regular Notepad. I'm also selecting FileZilla and Putty. If you don't work with servers or websites, you can skip those. Moving down to the documents section, I'm selecting Foxit Reader for PDF files. You can also choose Sumatra PDF if you want a lightweight alternative. If you need free Office software, you can select LibreOffice or OpenOffice. Now let's continue to the utilities and communication sections. I'm selecting AnyDesk because it's great for remote support. Under communication, I'm selecting Discord and Zoom. Again, choose the applications that you personally use. The beauty of Ninite is that you can fully customize your installer. Once you've selected everything you want, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button that says Get Your Ninite. Go ahead and click it. Immediately, Ninite will generate a custom installer based on the exact applications you selected. Your download should start automatically. You'll notice the installer file is very small, usually less than 1 megabyte. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Locate the file you just downloaded. Double-click the installer. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the application to make changes, click Yes. Now, sit back and watch. The Ninite installer window will open, and you'll see every application you selected listed on the screen. Ninite now begins downloading each application directly from its official source. You don't need to click Next. You don't need to uncheck toolbars. You don't need to remove bundled software. You don't need to visit multiple websites. Ninite handles everything automatically. You'll see different status messages appear. Downloading means the application is being retrieved from the official website. Installing means setup is currently in progress. A green checkmark means installation completed successfully. Depending on your internet speed and the number of applications you selected, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to around 20 minutes. While it's running, you can continue using your computer normally. One important tip: don't delete the installer after you're done. Keep it somewhere safe. If you run the same Ninite installer again later, it will automatically update all the software included in that package. That means one click can update Chrome, VLC, Discord, 7-zip, and every other selected application. It's incredibly useful for maintaining a PC. You can even copy the installer to a USB flash drive and use it on other computers. Now let's answer a common question. Is Ninite safe? Ninite downloads applications directly from the official publishers. It doesn't modify the installers. It verifies downloads. It skips unwanted bundled software. And it has been trusted by millions of users and IT professionals for years. In many cases, it's actually safer than manually downloading software because it helps prevent downloading from fake websites or malicious sources. Of course, Ninite doesn't include every piece of software available. Programs like Microsoft Office, Adobe Creative Cloud, and certain specialized professional tools still need to be installed manually. However, for most users, Ninite covers the vast majority of essential applications needed after a fresh Windows installation. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've downloaded and installed multiple applications without visiting dozens of websites or running dozens of setup files. If you've never used Ninite before, give it a try and let me know what you think. Also tell me which applications you always install first on a new Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you save time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.